Hello everyone. Today I wanted to go over how you can create field notes, which means you can add pictures and add notes from our mobile app. So let's dive in. In order to create a field note, you're going to go to the project by clicking at the top, go to the project that you want to create a note on. And then at the top here, I'm going to click the plus sign, and then I'm going to click field note. This is where I have the opportunity to take a photo if I'm on the job site. Say I wanted to take a picture of the electrical panel here, I could do that. Maybe I wanted to actually take multiple photos. I could take a picture of the corner trim detail here. So I could add those in. I could also alternatively choose from my library if I was at the job site earlier. And then I could put in, meeting notes, reviewed electrical install with, and then I'm just going to hit save. Now, the interesting thing is that it's not going to look like you did them here. There's actually no way to see that on the app. But if I go out of this project, and then I go to the activity feed, you will see that those notes are here posted on the activity feed. And now I can do a few different things with them. I could filter down by all notes on this project. So if a lot of team members are posting notes, I could filter down by those here. And then alternatively, I can prepare a report and generate that report to send over to my teammates or my client. And I can decide if I want to show those progress notes and photos, if I want to show recent activity or not. And then I can customize any kind of timesheet selection or timesheet entries here that I want to add in. So that is how you can take a field note and then get it over to the web app where you can send a progress report or an update to your team and to your clients. All right, we hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about how to create a field note or tackle anything in the mobile app, you can always reach out to us at hello@materio.co.